Om Shri Lakshmi Narsimhaya Namaha. Bhavricha Upanishad. Om. Speech is rooted in my thought, mind, and my thought is rooted in my speech. Be manifest, patent to me, be A2 for me, the linchpins of the Vedas. Let not Vedic lore desert me. With this mastered lore I join day with night. I shall speak what is right. I shall speak what is truth. Let that protect me. Let that protect the speaker. Let that protect me. Let that protect the speaker. Protect the speaker. Om. Peace, peace, peace. 1. Om. The goddess was indeed one in the beginning. Alone she emitted the world egg. She is known as love's part, Im. She is known as the half-syllabic instant of after Om. 2. Of her was Brahma born, was Vishnu born, was Rudra born. All wind gods were born. Celestial minstrels, nymphs, semi-humans, beings playing on instruments were born of her. All around, what is enjoyed was born. Everything was born of her. Everything of power was born of her. The egg born, the sweat born, the seed born, the womb born. Whatever breaths here, the stationary as well as the moving, and man were born of her. 3. She, here is the power supreme. She, here is the science of Shambhu, known either as a science beginning with Ka, or as a science beginning with Ha, or as a science beginning with Sa. That is the secret Om, grounded in the word Om. 4. Pervading the three cities, the three bodies, illuminating within and without, she, the consciousness within, becomes the Maha Tripura Sundari, being associated with space, time, and objects. 5. She alone is Atman. Other than her is untruth, non-self. Hence, is she Brahman consciousness, free from even a tinge of being and non-being. She is the science of consciousness, non-dual Brahman consciousness, a wave of being consciousness bliss, the beauty of the three great cities, penetrating within and without, is resplendent, non-dual, self-subsisting. What is pure being. What shines is pure consciousness. What is dear is bliss. So, here is the Maha Tripura Sundari, who assumes all form. You and I and all the world and all divinities and all besides are the Maha Tripura Sundari. The sole truth is the thing named the beautiful. It is the non-dual, integral, supreme Brahman. 6. The fivefold form relinquished and effects like space transcended remains the one, the great being, the supreme ground, the only truth. 7. It is declared either that Brahman is consciousness or that I am Brahman. In dialogue it is said, thou art that, or this Atman is Brahman, or I am Brahman, or Brahman alone am I. 8. She who is contemplated as that which I am, or I am he, or what he is that I am, is the Sodasi, the science of Shri, the 15th syllabled science, the sacred Mahatripura Sundari, the virgin, the mother, Bangala, the Matangi, the auspicious one, who chooses her own partner, the mistress of the world, Chamunda, Chanda, the power of the boar, she who wails, the royal Matangi, dark like a parrot, light dark, mounted on a horse, opposed to Angiras, smoke bannered, power of Savitur, Saraswati, Gayatri, part of the Brahmic bliss. 9. The songs of praise dwell in the highest sphere, where dwells all gods. With Rik, what will he do who knows not this? They who knows this well, they dwell all right. This is the secret science. Om. Speech is rooted in my thought, mind, and my thought is rooted in my speech. Be manifest, patent to me, be A2 for me, the linchpins of the Vedas. Let not Vedic lore desert me. With this master lore I join day with night. I shall speak what is right. I shall speak what is truth. Let that protect me. Let that protect the speaker. Let that protect me. Let that protect the speaker. Protect the speaker. Om. Peace, peace, peace. Here ends the Bhavarchika Upanishad included in the Rig Veda. Om Sri Krishnarpanamastu.